What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be talking about when we'll see the top of the bull market, which day, which month, which year will it be. Before we get into the video, guys, thank you so much for subscribing. I gained another 3 subscribers. It's not a lot, but it's a lot for my channel. So if you feel supportive and want to see more videos like this in the future, please give me a like, subscribe, and let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about basically when we will see the top of the bull market, in my opinion. Many people are talking about extended bull market. They are talking about, they are saying that everybody's expecting, because basically here, last time we had, the top was in December as well. Then afterwards, it was in December as well. So 2013-17 was both in December. So we are all basically expecting the bull market to end to top the Bitcoin to top out basically about December, beginning of January, and afterwards soon the altcoins as well. As we experienced on summer, if we're looking at the charts, this year we have seen this, like, how long, basically like 4 or 5 months correction. So basically when Bitcoin reached 65,000, then it dropped down to 28,000, and then we had this consolidation period about 5 months. So if you're looking at the charts and the indicators didn't make much sense, in this summer, because we never had before that we had a correction, and the correction lasted like 5 months in the bull market. When we had mostly like 30-35% of correction, it lasts maybe a month and a half, and then it carry on up. But we never had a 5 months gap between 2 corrections, and then it went even higher than the previous high, so which means that the bull run continues. We never had this situation before. So many people talk about extending the bull markets as well. you can see here that every bull cycle it's longer than the previous one. And if you're looking at here, basically this is a stock to flow model. You can see that the blue is like extreme fear, it's a bear market, and the red color signals the top. If you see here and previously in previous years and since Bitcoin exists, we had these parabolic moves here, top. Have you seen it yet here? We haven't had that parabolic spike, and that's why I wouldn't be focusing that much on the day. It doesn't matter really if it's December, January, or which day. Which month. I think the most important thing is to see that spike. So once you see in basically like a 1 week or 10 days time that basically Bitcoin goes parabolic, like 3 times, go 2-3x in 1 week, that's the top. Until it goes slowly like this, it's not the top, in my opinion. And the good thing is that we are far away from that. As you can see, this is not a parabolic move yet. So I think until we see this parabolic move, we don't need to worry. Because we hit the new all-time high recently as well, so we are definitely in a bull, and I don't think it's a top. I don't see basically that we end up on let's say 65-70k Bitcoin or 5k Ethereum, $600 Binance. I just don't see it. Cardano to just remain on $2. I just don't see it. So I think this can go way higher. What I think about the top, the point is that everybody was expecting, for example, in September to be the end of the bull market this year, and it didn't happen. And what happened? obviously the whales manipulated the market, and they pushed the prices down. They spread the FUDs through all the media and everything. So I mean, what happened on summer, that Bitcoin price dropped more than 55%, and then the bull run continued. This never happened before. So we can see that institutions came into the market, and they are manipulating the market, and the market goes basically how they want it. Once they take enough profits, that they're gonna dump on you, and they're gonna push the price down. So yeah, I mean, they shake out all the weak hands in summertime, and now they are pushing up, and once we're gonna hit 120, 30,000, then retail people gonna going crazy again, gonna go into euphoric state, and then media gonna pump again more, and then they're just gonna dump it on you. I mean, the whales. So until we don't see this parabolic move, I wouldn't be worried that much. I want to show here one more thing, the relative unrealized profit and loss. I mean, most of the people still here, we can see here, this is the optimism phase, this level. Then we had the yellow one is a greed, and then we have the euphoria here. You can see that we had a correction here, exactly when we touched in 2017 the euphoria. Then we dropped so much. So here the people were mostly all in loss when they bought, and where the price was, they were all in loss. And you can see here we are quite in loss. I mean, not many people are in profits. Most probably we also are in profit, but maybe 2, 3, 5x. I don't think people are in much higher profits. Most of them. I mean, they are always obviously pro traders, but you can see here that we are only here. We didn't touch even the greed phase here, so we are very far away from euphoria. So I think we shouldn't be worried. And the other thing is that to talk about. So basically, what happens at the end? I mean, this market is much more mature than it was before. So we can't compare it what we had in the previous years, because institutions came in. We have DeFi, we have NFTs, we have you know, big companies, MicroStrategy, and Tesla, and other big companies came in. So they're not going to let the price go that low until they are satisfied with their profits. As well as about the bear market, I don't think the next bear market is going to be that long as the other. I mean, like these that they took about 3 years to touch the new all-time high. I think it's going to be maybe maximum about a year of a bear market. Bitcoin and Ethereum going to drop about 60-70%. The altcoins going to get smashed. I mean, 85-90%. The micro caps gonna get smashed. 85-90% for sure. But then it's gonna recover, and I think we're gonna have a super cycle, meaning that it's gonna just go higher, and it's gonna extend, and just gonna go basically higher and higher after 1 year, and then after a few years, I think we're gonna see a correction again. So I don't think the bear market is gonna last long. Maybe, as I said, a year after we correct. My opinion, if we're looking at here, so what happened in the previous markets, when Bitcoin reaches maybe 130, 140x, that 140,000, that's what I think. That's when I'm considering basically selling BTC. And then what's happening when the Bitcoin tops out? There was until now always a week to 2 weeks time when the alts are pumping. So basically, when people take profit from Bitcoin, then all this money flows into Ethereum. When they pump Ethereum, it flows to BNB, and then it goes lower. How low is gonna go until 50, 60th on coin market cap? God knows. Nobody knows. But you have time to take profit. So the good news is that once Bitcoin tops out, you have still about a week. I mean, when you see like a major correction on Bitcoin, then it's time to cash out, in my opinion, because then you have about a week to 10 days still to wait. They're gonna pump still altcoins, but better to be on safe side. And when Bitcoin corrected after a week, to take out, cash out, and wait for a correction, because you're never going to catch the end exactly the top. So yeah, so nothing to be worried about. I think when Bitcoin tops out, we have still about a week or 2 weeks to cash out. So yeah, guys, I wouldn't be worried about the bull market. I think, and the funny thing is that everybody talks about having the top in January. In my opinion, it's gonna be either earlier, before or after that, but not exactly in January, because if everybody expects the top to be in January, obviously it's not going to happen. I mean, you can see everybody expected in September to be the top of the bull market, and look at now. And we had a major correction on summertime, and most of the people thought that that was the top, and how much it extended, and it's still not over. So yeah, but at the same time, I cannot believe that this is the top. I mean, I cannot see it that BTC only goes to 3x from the last bull market, last top from 20K. Every time we had at least about 10x. Obviously, this is now a bigger, more mature market, so it's not going to go 200x till 200,000, but it can go. You never know. Because institutions came in to the market, they can pump through medias and everything, so it can go easily to 200,000. But definitely, I don't see the top here, 61K. Ethereum at 5,000. So Cardano, I think Bitcoin gonna go to 140, 50. Ethereum easily to $10,000-12,000. Binance to $1,500, 2,000. Cardano to about $6-7. So there is so much of growth here. It's still. So yeah, guys. I think it's gonna be a bit later top. So maybe in February, March. That's what I'm hoping for. And in my opinion, it will be about February the top, exactly because everybody is hoping to have it in January, and they're not gonna let you. They're not gonna say, okay, so guys, all of you need to cash out because we're gonna dump everything on you. So they're gonna give you a date. We're gonna guys sell everything until the 15th of January, and then we're gonna shut down the market. That's not how it works. I mean, the whale's not gonna care about your money and how much profit you made. So just be smart, guys. Yeah, that's my opinion. So I think we're gonna see it's gonna be a bit later stage, maybe in February. I don't think in January it's gonna be over, just because everybody is expecting this. Cool. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, just click like, subscribe, support my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.